Hey guys, this is my room after Christmas. So all this stuff on my floor is stuff from Christmas. Here, I can do a little slow montage. Not that green bucket, but why do I have a piece of wood? Is that piece of wood? What? Some weird stuff in my room, man. Hey, look, there's my Alexa. Oh, there's my little jar of Nutella. Right there. I don't know what all this stuff is, but I'm sorry guys, this is my blanket. Some other stuff over there. Oh my god, I got so much stuff in that whole bag and that purple onesie right there. More stuff. So, what do you guys think of my room? Like a really quick tour of my room. These are all my presents. I still have got more coming on Saturday, so yeah, I'm really scared. So yeah, I might do a video of what I got for Christmas, but that'll probably be like an hour long, so I don't know. And there's my dirty bedroom, and my mom's gonna kill me, so yeah. Bye guys, like, subscribe, comment. You don't have to do any of those things, but whatever, so bye.